Hey all, Sammy here from Avid CNC. Let's learn how to assemble our grease gun. This process of greasing your machine requires a needle tip adapter for your grease gun, which is available on our website. You can always contact the support team for replacement consumables. Let's go through the grease gun assembly. You should be able to snap in the needle tip adapter. You may find that the coupler at the end of the gun is on a little tight straight out of the package. While it's rarely necessary, if you're not able to install the needle tip adapter, you may need to loosen the coupler. To make this adjustment, we'll have to unscrew the coupler, which allows the clamping jaws to widen. Be careful not to over-tighten this part in the vise. It's only to hold it briefly while loosening the nut. Here are all of the parts in the coupler laid out. We'll make sure that the ball goes in, the tapered spring with the smaller end is resting on the ball, and the ball end of the needle tip adapter will be inserted into the jaws. We'll be sure to hold the tip in place while threading it all together. Now we can assemble the grease gun. I'll thread in the fixed tube extension into the head, and then the coupler with the needle tip adapter. Next, we'll pull the plunger rod handle all the way out at full extension. We should be able to lock it in at an angle. Remove the cap from the grease cartridge. There should be an arrow on the packaging indicating which end. Insert the cartridge into the barrel. After that, we'll want to remove the foil from the end of the cartridge. I found that my pocket knife worked perfectly for this. Then we'll thread on the grease gun head, not too tight, we don't want a large air bubble at the top. And release the piston rod from the retraction position and push it into the barrel. Then pump the handle and work the air through the mechanism until you get the grease started. There are video links in the description below on how to properly grease your CNC. Please note that the date on which you ordered your machine will affect the procedure. Thanks everyone for watching, and we look forward to sharing more pro tip, project, and build videos with you soon.